Hi, I'm Kevin from Stinger. Today we're introducing FAST Rings, the newest member of the Roadkill family of sound damping products. FAST Rings provide improved performance to any aftermarket speaker installation, whether you're running a high-powered amplified system or simply running off your head unit's onboard power. FAST Rings will enhance your in-car musical experience. FAST Rings provide 3 patented laser-cut rings that include strong adhesive backing for easy installation and a stay-in-place fit. Ring number 1 provides the first line of defense against rogue sound waves on the backside of your vehicle's door panel, while also preventing unwanted noise cancellation. Ring number 2, the gasket, is placed on the outside of the speaker to provide a direct channel through the vehicle's factory speaker openings and limit turbulent sound waves. Ring number 3, the spacer, creates a bond between the inner door skin and the vehicle's speaker, ensuring an airtight seal. Together, these 3 rings optimize the vehicle's audio performance. FAST Rings are compatible with today's most popular vehicles, so visit your local authorized Stinger dealer for more details.